everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of ordering IEEE membership development MD kit materials. Student branches can place these orders by logging into their IEEE account. First, open your web browser and search for www.ieee.org/mdkit. Once the page loads, scroll down and click Order MD Materials Now. You will then be directed to the sign-in page. Enter your IEEE membership username and password to sign in. If you encounter an error message such as "Sorry, that combination is not valid," there is an alternative option available at the bottom of the sign-in page. Scroll down and click the link for single sign-on. This usually resolves the issue. After logging in, click on Promotional Items. For a single order, you can request up to 75 promotional items. In addition, you are allowed to order one desktop flag per order. You can place orders for MD kits every 2 to 3 months. This is for free of charge. Next, enter the required quantity for each promotional item and click Add to Cart. After adding the items, click the cart icon at the top right corner of the page. If the number of promotional items in your cart exceeds 75, please remove the extra items before proceeding. Then click Proceed to Checkout button. At this stage, you may receive a warning message indicating that the default address is invalid. To update your address, click the pencil icon next to your username, which allows you to edit your address details. Enter your home address information and click Save. Once your address is updated, scroll down and click the Place Order button. Your order will then be successfully placed and you will receive a confirmation email regarding your MD kit order. The order will be delivered to your home address within approximately 3 to 4 weeks. At the time of delivery, you may need to pay a small tax. These MD kit materials are a powerful tool for promoting IEEE and boosting membership in your student branch. So don't miss this opportunity. Place your MD kit order today and empower your student branch to grow stronger. Thank you for watching.